Onjoria atumia ni moritio mahimbirie riera riega ria uigithia gitaru-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro niguo kugacirithia biacara ciao na uthii wa nambere wa mabũrũri ma gitaru giki. Ritana riri rirutitwo ni Minista wa maundu ma Afrika ya irathiro Rebecca Miano uria ugite ngwataniro ino ya mabũrũri mugwanja ni gathikite mitaratara mianduku ya kugacirithia wonjoria.
Is to be a prosperous, competitive, secure, stable and politically united East Africa, while its mission is to widen and deepen economic, political, social and cultural integration, and this is in order to improve the quality of life of the people of East Africa.
Miano ni ongereire kuuga gitaru giki kiri na utonga munene wa mahiga ma goro nduri utakoretwo wikirirwo muno na uri no hoti wa guthondeka mabilioni ma mbeca na mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi. Honge ingi cia uigithia iria gwetete ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa urimi na iganda.
And the profusion of mineral wealth available in the EAC region offers an excellent recipe for the establishment of a whole range of industries. And by the way, the mining of these minerals has hardly even started.
Miano ni ataririe Afrika ya irathiro iri na muingi wa kuigana kunyitirira biacara itiganite na muingi uyu uri na wiyathi wa guthie kuma bururi umwe nginyagia uri ungi hatari mihinga.
Noting that the EAC partner states are fully committed to facilitating unrestricted flow of people, goods and services through removing barriers to trade and investment. Consequently, export and import trade of a variety of agricultural produce and manufactured goods is liberalized.
Miano ekwaragia bururi-ini wa Ngeretha kuria guthaganitio kigomano kia mbere kia atumia ahuri biacara kumurika mieke ya uigithia iria gitaru-ini giki. Hamwe na mabũrũri maria mombite ngwataniro ino ni Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan na Congo DRC. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.